Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be talking another format of date. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to create this one, and we're going to call this one custom date. So custom date formatter. Okay. Like so. And let's create a label. And before we forget, we're going to connect that as well, so we don't get runtime error. So outlet week for custom date label. So in this case, we this is a case where, like, we just want to show date, no time. So that kind of format, and we want to provide our own template basically for the date to be shown on the label. So what we're going to do is we are going to simply say drop a label here, and we're going to constrain it 20 points from each side. Make sure it's center aligned. So let's make sure it's center aligned, and 0, so basically it can grow vertically. And then select our view controller, connect that particular outlet like so. All right, now what we're going to do next is we're going to write some code in this. So usually what you do is, first of all, you create a date formatter. So formatter. Okay, so usually you do this, and then you say date formatter dot date format is equal to mmm dd yyyy, for example. Right now, instead of doing this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say date formatter dot set localized date format from template, and this is where we're going to provide the template, and template is the same template that we used in the other in the previous line right here, yy. And now we simply gonna say custom date label dot text is equal to date formatter dot string from date, and we're gonna get the current date from this, like that. Okay, and this is it. So if we run our app right now, build and run, basically what we're gonna see is we have our date showing up, AUG 25th 2019. Now if I change this to, let's say, Indian version or Hindi version, then you're gonna take a look that date comes first, month comes second, and year comes third. If you change this to French, in that case, basically your date comes first, your month comes second, and your year comes last. But look at what we have. We have commas provided, but comma is not the standard in their language. So so basically iOS or date formatter basically helped you remove that, so it can look more according to that region, according to the standard of that region, and that's what you're seeing here. So all this actually you get for free just by adapting to these standard things, and actually basically creating your labels and strings using these helper classes that are provided by Apple to you for your development. Okay, so this is it for this video. I just wanted to show you how you can basically use a template to create a date and make it conform to different different locales using set localized date format from template function. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in next video. And in the next video we're going to be talking about formatting numbers, and we're gonna go from there. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.